Hi everyone, today we are going to measure distance from our ultrasonic sensor. So let's start. The materials we are going to need are breadboard, this ultrasonic sensor, few jumper wires, one buzzer and ARDUINO. So let's start. So first of all, insert this ultrasonic sensor in the breadboard. So you have to attach it like this and then put 4 wires here. So now what you have to do is the wire going to GND, you have to connect it with GND of this Arduino Uno. So here you can see that we have to attach it like this. So I will write all the things in the description, so from there you can see it. Now we have to attach buzzer to it. So like this you have to attach this buzzer. So now we have to upload the code. So the code I will provide in the description. So let's check how it will work. So here as you can see, if we put our hand, so the buzzer will beep here. And here if you open your serial monitor, so here first of all you have to attach it. So attach your, change this to 9600 here and then put your hand here. So as you can see, it will show the distance here. As you can see, if we put our hand to close it. So thanks for watching my video.